Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2001 Sea Ray 290 Amberjack Conundrum as she sits here at Pirates Cove Marina. And I'm going to go ahead and just say this boat is super clean. Clean just does not cover it. Now, being a Sea Ray, we have the usual amenities such as aft deck shower, 3-step ladder. When you walk on the back deck, freshwater washdown, a lounger that looks fantastic, the isinglass, look how clear that is. Of course, we have our power vent. Now, the engine clocks show 974.1 port and 970.5 starboard. But in 2016, the port engine was rebuilt, the starboard engine got an entirely new top end. Now, the Raytheon Tri-Data was replaced in 2017, and the owner continues to do work on the boat as he owns it. Typical for Sea Ray, we have a nice flip-up, flip-down bolster. And of course, being an Amberjack, we have a bait prep sink and a live well. Now, a good idea of the condition of this boat is to look at the aft lounger, in great shape. Moving forward, we come to the ultra leather dinette. There's air conditioning controls. We have a TV with DVD player. And then the V-berth. Now the V-berth looks new, folks. It's hard to show this, and hopefully my pictures on Yacht World, Boat Trader, and Boats.com will capture that. But it looks so nice. Coming back around to the galley, we have a sink. We have AC/DC refrigerator, a microwave, and solid surface countertops. The upgraded vacuum flush head, of course, is back here with a shower. Now, folks, look, even the gloss off of the shower and the head should give you an idea of the condition of this boat. Very good shape. Step back up. And this has been a quick walking tour of Conundrum, the Sea Ray 290 Amberjack, as she sits here at Pirates Cove Marina in Panama City, Florida. Thank you for your time.